This faceless YouTube channel's posting skeleton educational videos and pulling in millions of views. And if you take a closer look, their videos are getting millions of views in just few days. No camera, no studio, no expensive setup. Just AI. And the crazy part is, most people copying this trend are doing it in a complicated way. They're jumping between platforms, overcomplicating the workflow, and wasting time. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a cleaner, simpler, and more powerful method to create this. First, open ChatGPT. Don't just type something basic like, make skeleton script. Be specific and strategic. Type this. Create a 6-scene YouTube short explaining what happens if someone takes milkshake for 30 days. Make it dramatic, fast-paced, and educational, with a strong hook. ChatGPT will generate a structured script. Usually it will start with a hook, then move into day 1, day 7, day 14, day 30, and then a conclusion. This structure is powerful because it builds anticipation. Each milestone creates a reason to keep watching. Once you have the script, ask ChatGPT to turn each scene into a cinematic text-to-image prompt. Be specific. Tell it to describe a realistic 3D skeleton, dramatic lighting, vertical 9:16 format, high detail, and emotional intensity. Now you have your image prompts ready. Next, go to FlexClip. Inside FlexClip, open the AI image generator. Select the Nano Banana model. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 so it's optimized for shorts. Choose high resolution for better detail. Paste your first prompt into the generator. If you have a skeleton reference image, upload it to keep the character consistent across scenes. That consistency makes your video feel more professional. Generate at least 2 versions of each prompt. Pick the best one. Then repeat this process for every scene in your script. By the time you're done, you'll have a complete visual story told through high-quality skeleton images. Now we turn those images into motion. Still inside FlexClip, switch to the AI video section and select Kling 2.6. Upload your first image. Now write a motion prompt. For example, you could say, slow cinematic camera zoom, skeleton lifting a protein shaker confidently, subtle breathing movement, dramatic lighting flicker. Keep the movement subtle. You don't need extreme action. Small, realistic motion feels more cinematic. Set the duration to around 5 seconds and turn the audio off. Generate the clip. Repeat this for every image. Now instead of static pictures, you have animated scenes that feel alive. The next step is voiceover. Take your original script and go to either NoteGPT's voice generator or 11 Labs. Paste the script. Choose a natural, confident voice. Avoid robotic tones. Keep the pacing slightly energetic, but not rushed. For better retention, make the hook sound more intense. Then slightly calm the middle section, and build energy again toward the conclusion. Export the audio file. Now we move to final editing in CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new vertical project. Import all your animated clips and your voiceover. Place the voiceover on the timeline first. Then align each animated clip to match the spoken words. Trim carefully so every visual matches what's being said. Add captions. Dynamic captions increase watch time significantly because many viewers watch without sound at first. Add subtle background music, but keep it low so it doesn't overpower the voice. Every 2 to 3 seconds, introduce a small visual change. A slight zoom. A subtle pan. A lighting shift. These micro-pattern interrupts keep retention high. Once everything flows smoothly, export in 1080 by 1920 resolution and upload it as a YouTube short. Here is the result.
If you drink a milkshake every day for 30 days, the answer might shock you. At first, nothing crazy. You feel happy. Sugar boosts dopamine, your brain's reward chemical. You might even feel more energetic.
Now here's where most people stop. They make one video and wait. That's a mistake. Instead, batch create content. Pick one niche, like supplements, hydration, sleep, muscle growth, or brain health. Create 10 scripts at once. Generate all images in one session. Animate them in one session. Record voiceovers in one session. Then edit them in batches. This turns the process from a one-off experiment into a content machine. Once traction starts building, monetization becomes simple. You can add affiliate links for supplements. You can promote AI tools. You can create digital guides. You can even build a themed skeleton channel around health and science. This isn't just about copying a trend. It's about understanding why the trend works and turning it into a repeatable system. Just smart storytelling combined with AI tools. If you follow this workflow step by step, you can produce high-quality skeleton shorts consistently and position yourself ahead of most creators jumping on this trend blindly. If you want my exact prompt formulas and batching system, comment skeleton, like the video, and I will send you the folder.